After camera calibration is finished, you can create templates for feature matching processing. Click Model Settings and create a template first. Select the feature of graphic region with the right mouse button. The software automatically extracts the features of selected area and generates the red feature lines. The larger the selected area, the longer the identification time. Just select the corresponding area as you need. After the feature lines are extracted, we need to optimize them. Smooth is for adjusting the smoothness of the curve. Improving smoothness can reduce the scatter points of the features. Select the unnecessary features with the right mouse button and press Delete to clear them. After creating the feature lines, then we can set up the cutting line. Click on the arrow at the top of the System toolbar. Switch the Model Edit mode to Cutting Edit mode, and then import Cutting Vector Graphic and make it match with the pattern on the graphic. Here, you can adjust the position and angle of the vector graphic through the keyboard. Ctrl plus arrow key is to rotate. The arrow key is to move the graphic. Just adjust them according to the situation. If you don't have cutting vector graphics, you can draw cutting lines by yourself. In Cutting Edit mode, draw the